Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. I'm here, I'm Alvin Rodriguez Julian, and today I'm with my friend Muhammad Fajar Prasetyo. In this episode, we are going to discuss about one of the most important technologies in our daily life, which is computer network. We use them every day, but many people don't know how they work. So, how are you today, Fajar?
Hi Vino, I'm doing great. Thank you for inviting me. I'm excited to talk about this topic because computer networks are very important in today's digital world.
That's a great to hear. Let's start with a basic question. Can you explain what is a computer network?
Of course, a computer network is a group of two or more computers and other electronic devices that are connected to each other. These devices communicate through cables or wireless connections to share data, files, hardware, software, and internet. Without computer networks, communication between devices would be much slower and more difficult.
That's a clear explanation. Why are computer networks so important in our daily life?
Because computer networks make communication much faster and more efficient. They allow people to send emails, share documents, access shared printers, and use the internet together. In schools, students and teachers can access learning materials online. In business, employees can work together and share information instantly. And hospitals also use networks to manage patient records and communicate between departments.
Interesting. What are the most common type of computer network?
There are several types, but the most common are LAN, MAN, and WAN. LAN or local area network is used in small areas such as homes, schools, or offices. MAN or Metropolitan Area Network connects networks within a city or large campus. WAN or Wide Area Network covers very large areas, even different countries. The Internet is the largest and most well-known example of WAN.
That's very informative. What devices are commonly used to build a computer network?
There are several important devices. A router connects different networks and provides internet access. A switch connects multiple devices within the same network. A modem connects the network to an internet service provider. We also use wireless access points to provide Wi-Fi connection. In addition, network cables and network interface cards help devices communicate with each other.
I see. Every technology has advantage and disadvantage. What about computer network?
The advantage include faster communication, easy file sharing, better collaboration, centralized data storage, and lower operational costs. However, there are also disadvantages. Networks can experience security threats such as hacking, virus, and malware. If the network goes down, many users may lose access to important research. Building and maintaining a network also requires technical knowledge and regular maintenance.
Security is definitely important. But how can we keep a computer's network secure?
There are many ways to improve network security. We should use strong and unique passwords, install firewalls, update antivirus software regularly, and always keep operating systems updated. It's also important to avoid suspicious emails and links backup important data and educate users about cybersecurity awareness.
Those are excellent tips. Before we end, do you have any final thought about computer network?
Yes, of course. Computer networks have become an essential part of modern life. They help people communicate, learn, work, and access information. more efficiently. As technology continues to develop, understanding how networks work will become even more important.
That's very informative. Thank you so much for sharing your acknowledgement today, Fajar.
You're welcome, Vino. I hope everyone learns something new about computer network.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. Today, you guys with Muhammad Fajar Prasetyo and my friend M. Alvino Triveskiulian. In this episode, we're going to discuss something that almost everyone uses every day, which is the internet. Welcome, Vino.
Thank you, Fajar. I'm very happy to be here. The internet is a fascinating topic because it has changed the way people live, work, and communicate.
Absolutely. Let's begin with a simple question. What is the internet?
The internet is a global network that connects millions of computers, smartphones, and other digital devices around the world. It allows people to communicate, access information, share data, and use online services instantly. Thanks to the internet, people from different countries can connect within a second.
That's a great explanation, Vino. How do people use the internet in their daily lives?
People use the internet for many different purposes. Students use it to study and complete an assignment. Employees use it for remote network, online meeting, and sending email. People also use it for online shopping, internet banking, streaming movies and music, playing online games, using social media, and making video calls with friends or family.
Oh, the internet certainly makes life more convenient. What are some of its biggest benefits?
One of the biggest advantages is easy access to information. You can learn almost anything online within a minute. The internet also supports online education, creates business opportunities through e-commerce, improve communication, and allows people to collaborate regardless of distance. It has also made many public services easier to access.
Those are excellent benefits. However, every technology also has some disadvantages. What are the risks of using the internet?
Yes, there are several risks. Some people spread false information or misinformation online. There are also cybercrimes such as hacking, phishing, identity theft, and online scams. Privacy is another concern because personal information can be stolen if users are not careful. In addition, excessive internet use can lead to addiction and reduce face-to-face social interaction.
Those are important issues. So, how can people use the internet safely?
People should always create a strong password and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. They should avoid clicking suspicious links. Download software only from a trusted website. Keep their device updated and never share personal information carelessly. It's also important to verify news before sharing it to prevent the spread of misinformation.
Those are very useful tips. Finally, what do you think about the future of the internet?
I believe the internet will continue to become faster, smarter, and more reliable. Technologies such as 5G, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things IoT will make our life even more connected. Smart homes, smart cities, and intelligent devices will become more common. However, cybersecurity and data privacy will also become more important as technology continues to grow.
I completely agree. The internet has transformed the world, and it's important for us to use it wisely and responsibly. Thank you very much for sharing your ideas today, Pino.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure to be a part of this discussion. I hope our conversation helps everyone understand the internet better.
Thank you everyone for listening our podcast. We hope you enjoyed today's discussion and learned something new. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye everyone. Stay safe, stay curious, and see you next time.